Minsan kapag may nakikita tayong isang taong may kapansanan, iniisip natin na parang katapusan na ng kanilang mundo. Yung parang wala na silang patutunguhan. Pero ang hindi alam ng karamihan, sila'y may nagtatagong talento at kaalaman. Sa'yo siya, ano yung pananaw mo dati when it comes to learning disability?
Dati, ang pananaw ko sa mga taong may learning disability, sila yung mga taong parang may abnormality, parang baliw.
Mostly yan yung perception ng
Yes.
iba eh. Pero, hindi eh. Minsan, nasasabi natin na yung mga taong ganyan parang wala ng patutunguhan.
Yes.
Pero hindi talaga.
Exactly. At yan ang nangyari dun sa movie na Temple Grandin.
Yung movie na yun, parang hindi lang siya yung movie lang.
Yes, it's a wake-up call kung paano natin tignan yung mga taong may disability and how education can either build or break them.
Yes. Temple Grandin, a woman with ASD or Autism Spectrum Disorder, shows us na hindi hadlang ang kapansanan upang makamit ang mga pangarap sa buhay.
Tama.
She became one of the most influential minds in animal science, and she only got there because someone believed in her way of learning. And that's what special and inclusive education is really about.
My name is Temple Grandin. I'm not
Si
like other
Dimple ay
people.
hindi marunong mag-recognize ng emotions kaya nahihirapan siyang makipag-socialize at ayaw niya ding hinahawakan siya. Ang tanging hug machine lamang ang kanyang coping mechanism upang mahibsan ang kanyang nararamdaman. Through support, acceptance, and guidance, na-achieve ni Dimple yung goal niya. Support and love by her mother and also her mentor, Dr. Carla, who recognizes her visual skills and support her education.
Let's be real. Persons with disabilities, minsan talaga nalileft out sila.
Yes.
And according to UNESCO, millions of children with disabilities around the world still don't go to school at all.
Yes.
Kasi, nagiging center sila of bullying.
At kahit pumapasok sila sa school, they often isolated. Kaya sila na lang yung nag-figure it out ng mga bagay-bagay.
And that's not inclusion.
Yes, because inclusive education means adjusting the system to fit the learner, using differentiate instruction, personalized support, and understanding diverse learning styles. In a movie, Temple Grandin, yung teacher niya, he didn't try to fix Temple, but instead, i-figure it out niya kung paano natututo si Temple.
Paano mag-isip si Temple?
Yes.
Actually, the role of the teacher is not to give the solution.
Yes.
The role of a teacher is to support the students. People with autism have specific needs related to sensory processing, communication, and special interaction. There are three basic needs of people with autism: safety, acceptance, and sense of competence. Safety. To feel safe, we all need organized nervous system, consistency, and concrete expectation. Predictable environment helps reduce anxiety and stress. Clear communication. People with ASD are literal thinkers, so they need clear indirect communication. Accommodation for sensory sensitivities. Acceptance. This means feeling valued and celebrated, knowing that people believe we are doing our best, and feeling like people are interacting with us with dignity. Understanding and valuing differences. Acceptance and valuing unique perspective and strength. Supportive relationships. Having supportive relationship with people. Competence. They need to engage other people and activities, build and acquire skills, gain a sense of mastery, and tackle uncertainty. engaging in meaningful work that leverages her strength and interest, opportunities of growth, profession growth, and development, which helps build confidence and competencies. By prioritizing safety, acceptance, and competence, individuals with autism, like Temple Grandin, can strive and make significant contributions.
As a future educator, kailangan nating intindihin at suportahan yung mga taong may disabilities at wag nating isipin na may abnormality sila or nababaliw sila.
Dapat ibahin natin yung perception natin, yung pananaw natin.
Yes.
And we should treat everybody as an equal.
Yes, like what Temple Grandin said, differentiate not less, and that's right. We don't need to change the person with disabilities, but we need to change how we treat them.
Yes, and let's make education a place where everybody feels they belong. Because when we include everyone, everyone wins.